Kayung krekam yang ke District Mission Coordinator SSA West Giant Hills, hakathong woken tu kenrong ye pure puthi hapo ke district katkam wadabu thong ke RTI ak arajar khande. Hak arpau tri uniu benai das dang ko open man ye sikai wa kyrpang ye ki principal head teacher yang ki skur. Ha Inclusive Education Resource Center IERS mi mentedu. Kathong yang kini keyalang to wo penche pynsñiawthooh ye ki principal head teacher yang ki skur chapang ikam ram kam ki bor pelai yang ki skur nei benta ki tu ki khenna wa em iduna tembuny heiman ren yon kam ju le chapang ki hok yang ki khenna kat kam ka RPWD ak arajar khanru. Ki brustat bru champang yang ke SSA West Giant Hills wa kentup ya ke Mary G. Mumin, Block Resource Person IE Delang OLK Sing Coordinator IE SSA West Giant Hills, deklam way batay bnia ki chapang iyumut wayar yang ki kintin, Inclusive Education, kam jule ya arpa witli ki jay kijun, ki wapenhap hapo ka RPWD ak arajar khanru. Kani ki sikai na mo ka training daw tenchu ko de wapenman hadu ka arpaw artering, Kawaman kam ka 2 days teacher needs analysis training on inclusive education. Katwa hak arpaw literary 1 daw ko orientation program for parents guardian of CWSN on inclusive education.
Type of disability. Only 7 types of disability. What are they? One is your blindness. The second one is your low vision. The third is your hearing impairment. A benchmark for children with special needs. What is that benchmark? That how can you say a person is disabled? Is a person with one eye disabled? One eye blind?
Yes.
It's blind? Oh, sorry. It's disabled?
Yes.
With one eye blind?
Disabled, yes.
Di bawang ish lihat. Di disabled? Kaya meaning of disabled apa?
Yes, sir.
That's what it has to be. There should be a benchmark of that. So the medical practitioners, how do they certify whether the child is disabled or not? There should be a percentage for that. So the benchmark disability for a person to certify as a disabled children or a disabled person has to be a 40% above. Then we shall consider a child or a person as a disabled. Especially in the past, in the 1890s, up to 2000, you can say, up to 20s, these children, at that time, before the inclusive education come up, these children are engaged in the special school. Their education is done in the special school. What does it mean when we say special school? A special school means it's meant only for the specified disability. For example, a children is blind. These children do their education there. In school for the blind. Which caters only for the blind. Right? So that means it's a special school only for them. Meaning that a child with other disability cannot come to the school with a blind. So that's why that school is said to be a special school. Which is only for the blind or the low vision. Or when you talk about a child with hearing impaired, he can't hear. There's again a special school for them, a school for the children with hearing impairment. So that is a special school only for them.